antique chair. Please don't sit. Looks kind of Asian. Who left this mark? Can you see the fingerprints? I gotta wash this. Good morning. I'm opening up the shop. Wanted to show you our little makeshift dressing room, changing room, fitting room. I think we just call it dressing room. Kindly limit to 3 items. People start fighting over it. We got this from Amazon. Do you need a changing room or do you just buy your clothes as is? And I'm going to vacuum with the vacuum cleaner. And have a good day. I must say we have terrible carpet, but we have nice racks of clothes. Do you want to buy some clothes? Hi, my job is to measure art with a measuring tape. This guy's so cute. Call him Pudgy. There was a little puppy dog, Dalmatian, going fishing. Hope you catch something. This is beautiful. Bright, bold colors. Here's some brie cheese, pomegranates. Do you like pomegranate seeds? Persimmons, figs, grapes, red grapes, purple grapes. Little Dalmatian puppy again. The water's very serene. And this was sweet across the years. Old people reflecting. And here's a little still life here. A little lamp on top. Okay, it's kind of quiet. A lady brought in t-shirts for us for a charity. And she just bought them for $1 each at a garage sale. So I'm going to have to go out to the yard sales and get some good prices. God bless that lady. That was really nice. Here's some comfy pants if you want them. Corduroy. It's getting kind of cold here in the south. We looked at this already. Here's the Eiffel Tower. This is pretty. This is a train station. Not a ghost town, but a lot going on. Rainbow Saloon. Hi, welcome. Orchids. Were there stockings at Christmas?
48.